Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best above-ground pool leaf net cover, the 24 feet round leaf net cover from Hlimior. If you've ever struggled with leaves and debris clogging up your pool, you know how frustrating it can be. But this product is designed to make your pool maintenance easier, especially during those pesky autumn months. The Hlimior 24 feet round leaf net cover is made from high-quality HDPE material, ensuring durability and strength to withstand the elements. Whether it's heavy rain, strong winds, or just the weight of falling leaves, this cover will stay in place, thanks to its flexibility and high resistance to wear and tear. It's not just sturdy, it's also incredibly easy to stretch and install, making pool care a breeze. This net cover measures 26.2 feet by 26.2 feet, which is perfect for 24-foot round above-ground pools, although it can also fit pools up to 24 feet in diameter. The mesh design is tightly woven, with holes measuring about 0.5 inches by 0.5 inches, which are small enough to catch most leaves and debris, keeping your pool water crystal clear. The beauty of this cover is that it not only keeps leaves out but also prevents branches from falling in, saving you time and hassle during pool cleanup. The package includes 16 large, strong metal clips, which are crucial for keeping the net securely in place. These clips are about 5 inches long and are designed to provide a firm grip on the edges of the pool, ensuring that even on windy days, the cover stays fixed and won't blow away. The metal clips also make installation simple and convenient. Just attach them to the edge of your pool, and you're good to go. When it comes to storage, the Hlimior leaf net is foldable and easy to pack away for the off-season. The material is reusable, so you don't have to worry about buying a new cover every year. You can trust this net cover to provide reliable protection for your pool for years to come. Overall, the Hlimior 24 feet round leaf net cover is a must-have for any above-ground pool owner. It's tough, easy to install, and offers excellent protection against the mess of falling leaves. If you're looking for a way to keep your pool clean with minimal effort, this is the cover for you. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review on the best products out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique.